Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start right inside the Play Store app. Sign into the Google account that controls purchases. Once signed in, tap your profile icon in the top right and open Settings, then head into Authentication or User Controls. Make sure you know your current Google password or device unlock method because the app will ask to verify you. From here, you are ready to change purchase authentication. Do not skip verification because Google requires it to protect payment methods and app purchases. Now find Require Authentication for Purchases and tap it. This controls when the Play Store asks for your password. Select Never to Stop Password Prompts for Purchases on this device. When prompted, confirm the change by entering your Google account password or using your device PIN, pattern, or biometric unlock. Once done, the Play Store will stop blocking purchases behind the password, so make sure you trust anyone with access to the device. Remember, this only affects Play purchases, not other Google services. To finish, test the change by downloading a free app or initiating a small purchase. You should not see a password prompt. If prompts persist, clear the Play Store app cache and data or sign out and sign back in, because stale settings sometimes block changes. If problems continue, check Family Link, parental controls, or device admin policies, which can force authentication. One key troubleshooting tip: if Family Link or managed profiles are active, remove or adjust those controls before retrying the Never option.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.